Hi, friends. Good morning. And let me ask you a new question: how you are behaving yourselves, how you are treating yourselves, what way you are behaving yourself. It's about relation. Everything is important. The relation in our business also, we are creating new relationship. It's about relationship. But before that, let me ask you a question. Do you treat yourselves the way you want other people to treat you? Important question. If you do not treat yourselves with love and respect, and you are emitting a signal that is saying you are not important enough, worthy enough, or deserving. Before we approach to the people, it building people to people relationship. And before that, आपका साथ में what relation you are having with yourself, what is your self-esteem is very important. That the things I found in secret book, and I'm applying and I'm believing. First, आपको आपका साथ में relation ठीक करना है. You must begin to treat yourselves with love and respect and emit that signal and get on that frequency. That is happening. To build a good relationship with yourself, you have to fall in love yourself. पहले आपका साथ में प्यार होना है, and for that you must be with totally, completely, आपको commitment चाहिए, and you are creating what is your dream. Are you following the crowd, majority? That habit, वो काम नहीं करने जा रहा है. It's not going to work. That world is real world. जो भी majority, we have nothing against them. That सब कुछ है यहाँ में. Hatred, criticize, competition, lots of things. It's a happening world. Okay, I know that. But हमने decide किया, और आपने भी decide किया शायद, not to stay there. And that is we need to think different way. And that's the main part, to find out the way, how we treat ourselves, how we think, then you can separate. वो मेजोरिटी में तो है ना, सब कुछ तो मेजोरिटी में है. People are making stories, people are making pictures, and artists making about all, na, and they are earning money and lots of that majority. I don't want to be used by people when I am remaining in the majority. तो majority में मैं नहीं रहना चाहता हूँ. And that is the hardest part we need to do. And we are so fortunate today, we are having different kind of education, self-education. That is very important part. Build a good relationship with yourself. और आप जैसे चाहते हो जो लोग आपको ट्रीट करें, आपको पहले ट्रीट करिए. एंड everyone, when you approach to the people, build relationship, the same relationship. Relationship का कोई अलग अलग नहीं है. The same way you have to love yourself, then you can love others. You have to understand yourself. You have then you can find out. And the whole world, लोग जो है majority में, they need our masses, they need our lots of things. हमसे चाहिए तो we need to be तो आपको upward, आपको ऊंचाई सीखना है. That is called Magic of Thinking Big. Have you gone through the book Magic of Thinking Big? The power of positive thinking. Spoken word is very important. So this is you must change your focus and begin to think about all the things that are wonderful about you. Look for positive in you. As you focus on those things, the law of attraction will show you more great things about you. You attract what you thinking about. Look for the good things about you and seek and you shall find. It's so beautiful world. Only we need to make some tuning, adjustment. हर तरफ में the center is available, frequency, where we make tuning our life. That's very important. When you want to attract a relationship, make sure your thought, word, actions and surroundings don't contradict your desire. किसी आदमी को आप जिंदगी बदलना चाहते हो, you want to give this opportunity, so then आपको साथ में पहले trust build करना है, build a relation, है ना, and try to understand that people, what he actually required. वो जाना चाहता है majority से minority, then minute people, that people who is having all the thing by attracting, by becoming, वह जाना चाहते हैं, and for that are they ready to work hard in mentally. We are only working hard but thinking in the process we are heading. We need a strong mind, strong decision, and we need change some habit. Your job is you, unless you feel yourself. Your job is you. Unless you fill yourself up first, you have nothing to give anybody. आपका पास में होना पड़ेगा किसी को कुछ देने के लिए. That's the important thing. Treat yourself with love, respect, and you will attract people who show you love and respect. This is thing. You are the unique and magnificent, na? Your thought process, and ये आपको mind में आएगा, that it shows because you are spirit. Approve your spirit. You are the God. And you are asking God, it's okay, but you have to ask from yourself. You need to be very demanding to you. And you need to be good teachers to teach you. First, you learn. And earlier, whatever we learned and taught, whatever habit, it's not going to work here. It's a different paradigm shift. And we have an university to teach you, and teachers, all the people who has gone ahead, we are learning, follow. दो चीज नहीं होगा. This world, this world, not first, paradigm shift. आपको mentally shift करना है. To make a relationship work, focus on what you appreciate about the other person and not your complaints. When you focus on the strength, you will get more of them. This is a secret of our building our business. This business is divine, and it out of love, through love, all everything love. And love, I said earlier also, are you following? Are you falling with your love? And love is the greatest emotion, greatest strength you are going to use every day, all the time. You cannot have both things, fear and faith. Have more faith. Faith upon yourself, faith upon God, then fear will go out. Why you are afraid of dying? Why are you afraid and anxiety all the time? Are you not believing that Almighty or upon yourself? That fear, let out go fear. If you are looking for God, you will find you. And if you are looking for to know you, you will know God. You are. All everything is आपका हाथ में है. You need to demand, you need to learn, you need to discover. Such a beautiful opportunity we are having here, and all the things is there to support you. Only your part to accept yourself and do whatever you need to do with whatever you have at your hand. Life is so beautiful. Learn to speak with yourself. That is self-talk. Change your talk. Change your talk. Change your word to change your life. Change. You have gone through lots of books are there. The research and development is within you, at your home. You can save lots of people. Save, yes. Living, going from majority, वहीं पर तो सब कुछ गड़बड़ है. The majority people, lots of, ये तो world में जो कुछ लोग है, they are using all the majority, mediocrity people, so that they can gain, they can gain, they can exploit, they can learn lots of things. So don't allow to grow in your mentality. They will teach you. वो आपको physics सिखाएगा, mathematics सिखाएगा, all everything they will teach you in the university, not about yourself. You are the great and magical creation of the God, and nobody is there to teach you. Who? The religion? No, that's also religion. Through religions, that is also kabja kar liya somebody else. Holy book is, yes, holy book. And you are responsible. What kind of person you are. Go through a holy book, all book, you will find real thing. Success law. भगवान ने जब कुछ बनाया दुनिया में सबको दे के भेजा था और हम लोग आए हैं. And you can have the right to use the whole universe. Abundance, full of है. आपका पास में नहीं है, then you go and you ask yourself why you are poor, why you are sick, why you are having all the mental trouble, relation trouble. That's your problem and you can solve it, and that is in your hand. Accept yourself as it is and change all in here. Thank you very much, friend.